If you're seeing the self-protection failed error code 4 message, there is no need to worry because this issue can be fixed quickly. Start by going to Windows search bar and typing Windows Defender Firewall and then open it. Once it opens, click on Advanced Settings from the left panel, which will bring up a new window. In this window, select Inbound Rules from the left side and then click on New Rule. When prompted, choose Program and click Next. Then click Browse to select the program that is causing the error. After selecting the program, click Next and choose Block the connection. Click Next again and make sure all three options, domain, private, and public, are checked. Click Next, give the rule a clear and recognizable name, and finally click Finish. After completing these steps, the self-protection failed error code 4 should be resolved and the program should work normally again. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.